Hey everybody, I'm Quinn, and today I'm going to show you how to make an automatic cat feeder. This is my cat Mia. She's awesome, but I'm sick of being woken up at 5 in the morning to feed her. So, let's make a robot do it. I started by modifying an off-the-shelf auger to suit my application. I cleaned the area, welded it right before the area that I was going to cut, and then cut it down to the length that I needed. I removed a section of the spiral of the auger and then cut the rest of it off. I made sure to leave enough of the center rod so that I could put it into the chuck of the lathe to turn down for the shaft coupler. Next, I cut a couple sections of 4x4 post in order to make a mold over which to thermoform the hopper. There's a lot of room for improvement in this mold, but it worked fine for my purposes. Thermoforming is a super simple and inexpensive way to make prototype parts. It took a couple tries, but we eventually got it. Huge shout out here to Aaron for helping me out with this. It's tricky to do by yourself, and having two people makes it a lot easier. I used some epoxy to glue together all of my pieces and then clamped them. Once that was dry, I drilled holes for the motor and for the motor mount on the back side of the hopper. Once the hopper was completed, I started on the box that would be used to house everything. My means are modest, so I'm using 1/2-inch plywood. But if you just got tenure and want to flex on your house guests, feel free to use teak or mahogany. I'm using some wood glue and a brad nailer to assemble the box. This is a super quick and easy way to fasten these kind of butt-jointed connections. I added some hinges so that the front panel could be open to access the components inside. Then I added a latch to keep the cat out, and the box was all done. Awesome! Now we just need some components to control it. Wire those up, and write a little bit of code. Let's see if it works. Beautiful. Now let's try it with some food in there. Now that's one excited cat. Alright, so this works great. Obviously, that piece of test code I wrote is not permanent. I'm not going to feed my cat that much food. We're going to have to do some testing and tweaking to get the timing right and make sure that we're dispensing an appropriate amount of food just twice a day because we don't want her to blow up. We're also deciding whether we want to be able to mount this to the wall or build some legs so that it can stand on its own. But we're going to leave that one out of the video. So thanks everybody for watching. I hope you learned something. Goodbye.